The last time I had a box like this on the channel, I had the opportunity to unbox the Starfield limited edition all AMD bundle, and that was one of the coolest experiences that I have had in my PC career. I got to build an epic PC that I'm so proud of, my best one yet, and I'm using that in my setup now, so it's my main PC. We got to give away 2 of the GPUs at the time. Originally, they actually sent out 1 GPU to give away to our community, but the giveaway had reached like 2 million views on Instagram, so AMD was like, hey, why don't you have another one to give away to your community? And that was that. So that was super cool. And now this one right here is the Avatar Frontiers of Pandora bundle. This includes the 7900 XTX GPU as well as the matching 7800 X3D chip. Now we're going to unbox this one, but not only did they send us one so that we could do a build for ourselves, they sent out 3 of these packages so that we could give them away to our community. And that's exactly what we're going to do this week. We're going to launch our first giveaway, so be on the lookout for that on our social media. But without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Oh, it looks just as cool as the Starfield one. Let's go ahead and take out the box. So this is our 7800 X3D chip. And then we will take a look at the GPU. Oh, this box is so cool. Oh, wow. That is sick. There's like little feathers on the side. Oh, even the back. So apparently, when the card heats up, it's supposed to change colors, so we will definitely have to check that out. So this is what the front of the GPU looks like. Pretty cool. And then over here on the back, it says Avatar Frontiers of Pandora. And then it's also got those feathers still on the back. So now that we've seen the GPU, let's go ahead and open the CPU box, because they usually always have some designs on the inside as well. Oh, wow. That looks so cool. Gosh, they always do such a good job with these packagings. Actually, let me go grab these Starfield boxes so that we can put them side by side and compare them. All right, so here is the Starfield packaging. Now, comparing the CPU boxes next to each other. I still really like the look of the Avatar bundle. I think it looks just as cool, but what do you guys think? If you had to pick between the two, which one do you like the most? And then I'll show you guys the inside, because I think the Starfield one looked pretty cool. I really liked the orange that they had going on with like all of the like rainbows that they had going there. And then that one is for the Avatar one. Definitely a different look, but I still think they're just as cool. And then moving on to the GPUs. So this was the Starfield GPU. I love this GPU so much. It is so cool. And then this is the Avatar one. So side by side, what do you guys think? Which one do you prefer? Looking at them, only because I am a futuristic person, I just really love the look of the Starfield one, but I also do like the Avatar one. I haven't seen what it's gonna look like, so I'm excited to put it in the PC to see all the lighting effects. Apparently it changes and when it heats up, so that will be cool to see. Now that we have unboxed and installed everything, you might be wondering, what are the plans for this bundle? Are we going to do a custom PC build like we did for the Starfield one? And the answer is yes. It's just gonna take a little bit more time because I wanna do a water-cooled build for this bundle. I think it would look really cool to do like a teal, blue, green loop for the CPU, and obviously I'm not going to water block the GPU because that would just ruin the design, but I have yet to find the case that I want to use for this design. So until I do, I will keep you guys updated on what I plan on doing for the case. But so far, that is what it's going to be. It's going to be a water-cooled build. Make sure to keep a lookout for our channel for when that's up. Also, don't forget to follow us over on our social media so that you can enter into the giveaways for the 3 bundles that we're going to be doing. A huge thank you to AMD for sending these out so we can check them out. And until next time, guys, we will catch you in the next one.